Good day. Do you find it hard to find the domain and range of a rational function? Then this video is for you. Please watch because I will teach you the tricks on how to find the domain and range of a rational function in just 10 to 20 seconds. So let's go and I will show you. So the domain of a rational function is the set of all real number, but there is a restricted value. And the restricted value is, okay, the value of x that will make the denominator equal to 0, and that is 5 over 3. That's it. Okay? The restricted value for y is simply the coefficient of the linear term, and that is 8 over 3. That's it. So, solve na. Okay, let us have another example. Okay. So, let's have this example. Okay, this function is the set of x or set of real number, except, okay, so that is 7 over 2. And the range is simply y. And the restricted value, again, is simply the coefficients of the linear term, and that is negative 5 over 2. I hope it helps. So please, if you like my content, please subscribe and um, hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with all the videos that I will be going to upload. Thank you very much and God bless you all.